In this video, I'm going to show you how to create those Instagram stories where you can stack multiple videos, put two above each other, three on top of each other, or even images. You probably see those cool Instagram story ads. You're probably wondering, how are they editing videos like this? Now, I know that graphic designers could do it. I actually, in the past, hired graphic designers to do some work like this, but I found a little hack. It's an app. You can actually create these pretty simple and pretty easy, and I'm actually going to show you in 1 minute, jump and share my phone screen on exactly how you can create these multiple layers of videos on top of each other or images on top of each other right in this app, and then load it up to your Instagram stories. I'm going to show you over the shoulder step by step. If you're looking to grow a personal brand, if you like real business tutorials, if you're trying to grow a business, definitely subscribe to my channel. I put out weekly videos, this way you don't miss them, and I go over a lot of stuff step by step and also advice from experience. So hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, this way you don't miss those weekly videos. And now we're gonna dive in and actually show you how to create those Instagram stories. Okay, so my little hack is actually this app called Unfold. You see it right here at the bottom left. I'll leave a link below. And here's some of the videos I was messing with, but for an example, I'm just gonna pull this up. This is a video that I created. Now you'll notice, let me just click on it. You see how there's 3 videos in one? So you could do 3 videos, 2 videos. It's a really cool app. You could just do images, so if you're looking just to stack images. And I know there's not a lot of stuff out there. You see, there's a lot of different things you could do. And I'll also pull this in when I'm done stacking the videos. I could also edit it in other apps. And I have other videos on how to edit in other apps, little hacks that anyone could do. It's very simple once you go through my tutorial. So I'll link that above and below on the other apps that I use to edit videos for Instagram, Facebook. For this specific app, this is exactly how you're going to do it. If you want to add, let's just say we're going to open up this, test 2. Right down here where the plus sign is, let's say we're going to freshly start, you don't have anything up yet, you just started, you just hit the plus sign here, and you want to pick your canvas. So if you notice, if I pick this one, you see I can add a video or an image and I can write underneath it, right? But what I really use this for, let me go back to there. So let's say we're going to do this one. So I could put a video above, image, 2 images, right? So this is the layout. So what I would want to do is I would just click and let's pick a video. Once you click on the video you want, you just pick select. You got to give it like 30 seconds to actually load, so don't think that something's wrong. It just takes a while to load up. Okay, so the video is there now. It took about almost a minute to load up. I cut the time short so you weren't waiting there, but just so you know, don't think something's wrong with the app. Sometimes it does, depending on how long and the quality of your video. The longer, the higher quality, I think it takes longer. So this took about 30 seconds, 50 to 30 seconds to load into here. But if I click on it, you'll see it will start. And this is just raw footage, but you see I sit down, so I'm going to stop that. But let's say I wanted to add like a graphic underneath or an image underneath or another video, I would just click that plus sign for the video that's going to go underneath it. And the same thing, if there's an image or a video that you want, if I see it, let's say I want this image, it could be an image or a video. Let's pick this one. You notice images load a lot quicker. So now when this is done, the video could play, right? This would be on my Instagram story. The video would play, and then underneath would be this image. Alright, that's just one example. Let's do another one. I'm going to click this plus down here again, and let's say we wanted one with like a larger format, the video up top, and then just an image in the bottom, or again a smaller video there. Again, there's so many different layouts. We're picking layouts, and you could go through these yourself. I use this one in the beginning. You show you 3 videos that are playing at once. The same thing, you hit the plus. If I wanted this image, I would just click select up at the top right. Then if I wanted a different video in the middle, plus. Let's say I wanted this image right here, click on it, hit select top right. Now that's there. You could also see with your fingers, you can't see what my fingers are doing, but I'm just pinching the image together and it's getting smaller. So you could adjust it like that. So I could put it like that. You know, I don't really like how that looks, so I'd probably delete that because I'd rather it take up the whole thing. But I'm just showing you an example. If you wanted to stack images, you just got to make sure that it fits in there. So if it's a larger image, you could probably shrink it down, but if you're trying to fit text, obviously this is just square image, and I made this for Instagram, so it's already squared. It's not fitting in there as width. It should be a rectangle type of image if I wanted to make it fit in this type of app. And then if I wanted to add a video at the bottom, click it, Here's a video. So that loaded. And now this video could go. I have an image up top. Stop that. But you see, you get the idea. This is how you could create without spending tons of money on a graphic team. And, you know, I wanted to show you this little hack. Use this app, Unfold. Again, I'll link it below. This app is really cool. I use it all the time because it just makes the job easier. And then what I'll do is I'll download it from here, and then I'll take it into other apps, which I have videos on that you could do some cool graphics around if you want and do other stuff as well. But this is how you can make those multiple videos, multiple image type of layouts, and it will fit right on your Instagram story. And again, you're just playing with this plus button and you're picking the layout you want. Look at this one. You could actually make one that has a big square image up top and then maybe 4 others images below. Again, and then you just want to make sure that it's the proper size for Instagram. And what I'll do is once I download it, I'll check it on my Instagram story. If it needs to be adjusted, I'll just take it into other apps, and I'll show you right now. Let me just show you the other app real quick so that I could adjust it if I need to for Instagram. So you might have heard me talk about InShot, which is at the top right. I click on InShot. Now I'm going to pull in a video. I'm pulling in a video that I created in Unfold, and I just want to show you what it looks like. So I pulled in this video, right? What I want to do now to make sure that it's Instagram story ready is I hit the little icon at the bottom that says Canvas. And then what I'm going to do is pick the 9:16 layout. That's Instagram story layout. Okay? So once you know that it fits in there, 9:16, you just created these 3 stackable videos or 3 stackable images inside of the Unfold. And now you brought them into InShot, and you're just making sure, and you hit the check that the canvas layout's correct, and then at the top right, that little download button, you would click that download button, it downloads to your phone, and you're ready to put it on Instagram. So that is the app that I'm using to create those videos that are stackable. Then you can run Instagram story ads with them, or if you'd like just to post it on your Instagram story, you could do that as well, but it's both for your images and then also for your videos by just using that app, which I'll link down below. And again, if you found this video helpful, definitely let me know. Comment below if you actually started to use this and it's working. Comment definitely below. If you have any questions, put them below. Also, if you think this would help anybody else, please share it. And again, if you like business advice, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.